You gonna do it.
I don't know what you're saying.
We're gonna do it.
Okay.
That's how you say it. Gin do it, right? G-I-N?
Gin?
Oh, gin do it.
Gin.
You know what I'm excited about? This is gin, and it's gonna empty out. This is the last drink we're gonna get out of this bottle. You know what
Yeah,
that means?
because you haven't already bought 2 other bottles of Hendrick's gin.
I didn't buy 2 bottles of Hendrick's gin. That's crazy. I bought Tanqueray.
And another Hendrick's.
Yeah, so
I'm sorry.
Yeah, it's a what? What is that?
It'll never make it into the video.
I know. 1.5 ounces of gin. What gin drink wouldn't be complete with 6 ounces of Mountain Dew, right?
What?
What?
Gin and Mountain Dew.
Yeah. And a dash. That's Sprite. A little sweet. Not much.
Mountain Dew is sweet.
Mountain Dew is not sweet. Mountain
It's
Dew.
got like the most sugar of any soda.
I'm not disputing that it's got a lot of sugar, but Mountain Dew is not sweet to me.
Our fancy pineapple grandma glasses.
Gin do it.
Well, it smells good. Okay, but here's the thing. When you mix gin with anything that has like a citrus undertone to it, it's going to be good anyway. So, cheers.
Cheers.
Heck yeah, that's good.
I don't even taste the gin.
Nope.
Needs more
Nope. This is going to throw you on the floor. You're going to fall on the floor and get up and ask for another one.
You need more gin. Holy smokes, that's good.
Man.
Beautiful. Perfectly balanced. Beautiful drink.
All right then.